So hi everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Maono Podcasting Microphone and Studio Headphone Kit, model AU-AO4H. We'll go ahead, open it up, and see what's inside. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody, and thanks for tuning in today. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. This way you know when I go ahead and I put up some more videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So today we're taking a look at the Maono Podcasting Microphone and Studio Headphone Kit. Professional audio innovation. It's model AU-AO4H. There will be a link in my description below, so this way if you like this kit, you could go ahead and purchase one just by going on and clicking on the link. So taking a look at the back of the box, we're taking a look at some of the microphone settings. It has high-res sampling rate up to 192 kilohertz at 24-bit. Has a cardioid polar pattern and high-speed US plug-and-play, which is not bad. They also give you a boom arm stand included, easy to use. It has 50 millimeter drives. It has foldable headphones, which is really nice. This way you can hear yourself as you're talking, and they are very comfortable. Extra long headphone cable, and like I say, they are comfortable to wear. Let's go ahead, open up the box. So now we got the box open, and you can see there's two different user manuals. One is for the headphone, and the other one is for the setup of the microphone. Right on top, very well packaged in styrofoam to keep everything in place. You do have two pop filters, one that goes onto the microphone, and the other one is a pop filter windscreen that goes in front of the microphone. That way it blocks out all the P's and the S's that you may say as you are talking. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath this first layer so you can see everything else it comes with. So taking a look inside the box, we do have the boom arm, you have your headphones. In the center is the microphone. Right below the microphone is the cable. And to the right of that is another connector that goes to the boom arm. Let's go and set it all up so you can see what it looks like. So now you can see I got everything all set up. You do have your boom arm. You have your microphone. It's placed into the shock mount. It has the cable all hooked up to the microphone. And you also have your windscreen right in front of the microphone. Like I say, that stops all those popping sounds as you are talking. To the right of that, here are your headphones that are really nice. They're great. They're soft. They are meaty. And they sound really great. This way you can listen to yourself as you're doing recording. It comes with two types of plugs. It comes with a 3.5 millimeter stereo mini jack. And then it comes with a 6.35 millimeter stereo jack. This way you have the options to go ahead and plug in the headphones into whatever device you have. Now I'm going to plug in the microphone. This way you can hear how it sounds. So here I am, I'm testing out the microphone. This way you can hear how it sounds, and there are no filters on this microphone at this time. I'd like to thank Maono for go ahead and sending me this great podcasting kit. It's great for the first time beginner if you're doing vlogging, podcasting, or even if you are an advanced person doing some blogging. It works out really great and sounds really great also. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.